What is up, everyone? Today is finally the day. I am extremely excited and kind of nervous, to be honest. I've probably taken about 2 or 3 poops this morning. Nothing new, to be honest, though, either. But yeah, I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. I really want to see how this is gonna look. Got all the wheels, tires, everything mounted in the truck. We're gonna have to drop it off with the truck because unfortunately the Subie couldn't handle all the luggage. So we're gonna have to drop it off with the truck, come back, pick up the Subie, and yeah. And today is supposed to be kind of a bad day out, so I might be recording the wheels on the car another day. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drop this off right now, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
20 minutes later.
And we are back to come pick up the Subie, but I gotta take another poop, so let's go do that quick.
1 hour later.
And it's now raining, but that ain't gonna stop me, so let's go and do this, boys. Everybody. You're probably wondering why your screen is frozen right now, and no, it is not your Wi-Fi, but Mother Nature decided to be disrespectful and be wicked windy during my video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and talk over what I'm saying. And what I'm basically saying is how it's been about a week since I've installed the wheels, and they've been nothing but amazing to me. I can't really say anything bad about them, and I mean, it hasn't really been that long on the car. I'll probably be doing a long-term review on the wheels sometime in the future, but I couldn't be happier on how they do look on the car and how they've performed and driven. And if you haven't seen the last video of the review of the wheels, then you can go ahead and check that out with the link right on top of your screen right now. And it's crazy how just wheels and tires can transform the whole Kia car. But these wheels, they are the 18 by 9.5, and they have a 38 offset. And they have a 255 35 18 tires, and they have the Michelin Pilot Sport ASs. I'll be throwing the link in the description down below of both of the items and the specs on them if you are wondering what they are. And this fitment is basically the perfect fitment for all 15 and up Subaru WRXs, and they do look pretty nice. I'll show you guys the fitment on them right now, and there's perfect fitment, as you can see right there. These tire choices are definitely really good, the 255s. The 265s might have been too meaty. I'm not sure if you'd like that kind of poke, but you can see right here, basically perfect flush fitment with the fender. And also with the wheel gap, since they are 18-inch rims, the wheel gap isn't that bad. It's about 3 fingers, front and the rear as well. They are about 3 fingers. So I'd say it fills up the wheel well, just good enough for now, so I don't have to really worry about suspension and coilovers just yet. So I'm gonna enjoy these wheels in the stock suspension for a little bit. And I did transfer the TPMS sensors from the old rims. I didn't want that annoying light on my dashboard. I know a lot of people leave that on, but for like $5–10 bucks for each wheel, it's really not that bad to sacrifice that light on your dashboard. So I'm happy I did end up doing that. But yeah, I absolutely love on how these did come out. I think the matte bronze does look really good with the red color of these Subarus. And because this is a 255 tire, it is a lot thicker than the stock tires, so I'm getting a lot more grip. You know, I don't really need it with the stock motor, but still, they are 255 width. They do have a tiny bit of stretch to them. Not sure if you can see on camera. Nothing crazy, but not sure if you're gonna be worried about that. So if you are, I'd get a 265, but I think the 255, a little bit of stretch, does look pretty good. Even though the 255 is basically perfect fitment for the 9.5 wheel, still a little bit of stretch on it, but I think it still looks really awesome on it. Gives it a nice aggressive look, but I think it looks really cool. But yeah, these look amazing. So that's gonna be doing it for today's video, guys. If you do know anybody that you think that should be getting a set of these wheels, go ahead and send them this video. Help us keep supporting this channel, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.